What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tyra and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I do my Indian healing clay mask.
That's right. Hey. Tyra, the creative. That's right. The creative.
So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to grab my Indian healing clay, which is this right here, and just pour a little bit in a glass bowl. So you don't use metal bowls because any metallic medium is known to react with the clay minerals and it will destroy the effectiveness of the mud mask. Then I'm grabbing a matcha tea pouch. You guys, don't do this. If you're going to use matcha in your mask, then definitely use the powder form that you get from like Whole Foods. Matcha is good for your hair because it's full of antioxidants and it helps to strengthen your hair. So I'm gonna also add in about a tablespoon of honey. Honey is also good for strengthening your hair follicles and healthy growth. Now I'm going in with my apple cider vinegar to activate the clay. I'm just going to pour in enough to get it to a thick, deep conditioner consistency. Now I build on my mask, so I'm going to add a little bit more clay, and I'm going to actually go in with water this time just to dilute the clay a bit. Just make sure it's about the same amount of deep conditioner that you would use, and you want it to be very creamy like this. Now you see me taking off a hot oil treatment that I did with a hot towel and 2 plastic bags. And I'm just going to rinse that out and apply my mask. I'm literally taking like chunks of it and slapping it on my hair like it was a perm. Make sure you get all the way to the root, and it's okay if you get it on your scalp because it washes out pretty easily. But like I said, do not use the little tea pouch. If you're gonna add the matcha, definitely go and get the organic matcha powder because the tea pouch has other things in it and it got stuck in my hair and it took forever to get it out. So I'm just using the shingling method to distribute the product evenly through my hair. I want to make sure that every strand is coated evenly, y'all. Slap that clay on there like a virgin perm. So I use apple cider vinegar, but if you don't want your mask to be too strong, you can use all water, but the acidity of the vinegar tends to do a better job of softening your hair, and if you were to use it on your face, it gently exfoliates your skin as well. Some of you may be wondering, why do an Aztec clay mask for your hair? This mud mask can hydrate, soften, defrizz, moisturize, and do away with dryness and enhance your curls, girl. Just watch my curls at the end of this video. I absolutely love this mask. I do it once a month and my hair loves it. This is a very messy job, so definitely put on an old t-shirt, and I don't recommend washing it out in the shower because it'll get all in your crevices, and girl, you know what I'm talking about. So I literally let this dry just like a protein treatment, and it took my hair about 45 minutes. So now I'm going to wash it out. And this is my hair with no product in it, you guys, as soon as I wash out my mask. And I love how much my curls are popping. I have 4C hair and it's just always frizzy, but this mask makes my curls pop. Curls for the girls. yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about how I do my clay mask or how often or anything, definitely put those down below. Let me know what your favorite hair mask is in the comments. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.